Okay, so from right here all the way down there is about 3 miles of a straight line of just dirt. And if we went from the other side all the way to here, it'd be around 10 miles. I'm going to be doing a POV of me biking 3 miles of a straight line and then 3 miles back. Let's do this. It's a very compacted dirt, so it makes it super easy for me to bike it. My MX-24. So I have a backpack on, which my phone is strapped to because it's like a military backpack and there's like a perfect place for your phone to sit. And then I have some frozen waters in there because it's currently 117 degrees outside in Arizona, where I live. And if you look to the right, it is just, if you look to the left, it's just desert, which is literally amazing. It's crazy, but it's amazing. Wow, that's weird. So here is the first destination type thing. Yeah. Some loose sand. Not again. Very loose sand, sketchy. Oh, huge bumps. Owie. I hope I'm still recording. There's a dust devil, no! Holy crap, I had to close my eyes. That was a bad one, too. Jesus, it just formed up. Oh, yeah. My eyes. It formed right in front of us. What the fuck? And then it went away. What the fuck? Cool. So we're back out here because the camera angle was fucked. Hopefully this camera angle is better. And also hopefully I can maybe record for longer. So we're gonna take the different route though. We're gonna go left instead of right. And now I have 2 unfrozen water bottles. Earlier today I had 1 frozen water bottle. There's a lot less out here. Yeah, so earlier today we went right. Now we're gonna go left. I hope this camera angle's not messed up. I really do. Here's one. Let's go down this one. Big hill. Okay. Try not to stand up so I can get that camera angle, you know what I mean? Jesus, that's a lot of rock. Fucking Christ. I'm going to die. That is a lot of rocks. I have to stand up. Holy fuck. Who made this path? Oh, I think I just hit every single rock in mankind. Holy fuck, I hate that. That fucking fucked up my camera so badly. Okay, here we go again. Wait, I have a question. What happens if I go like this? Will that even the camera out? There we go. That may be a little bit better. If it's even recording right now. I love your dog. I love your dog. Oh, they had a French bulldog. If you don't know, I have a French bulldog and a lab. Let me make sure I emphasize lab, a puppy lab. Fucking pain in the ass, but he's fucking adorable. I don't know, I still think Bubbles is more cute. And that's my French bulldog, so just a little bit of recap. My French bulldog's name is Bubbles. My lab's name is Winston. Oh, whoa, it's pavement. Fantastic. This is amazing. It's pavement. Oh shit, short turn. Amazing. And that's uphill. Nope, screw that. The next wash, if there is one, I'm gonna stop and get a water out of my bag. So this is a more biker friendly. I mean, still it's either like full on like monster truck bike, or it's like beach cruiser bike. Like I want like middle ground pathways. Now, I mean, I don't mind the cement paths, but I also don't really. Okay, I gotta get loose. Well, that's a nice house right there. Hi, doggo. I love you. That suck dick. Whoa, where am I? There's towers. I need water. Here we go. We're in the middle of nowhere. Whoa. This is sick. It's an electrical tower. Hi. I love you. I almost died. Trail riding. Trail riding POV. That's it. What's over here? I see a horse. I want a horse. I actually don't want a horse at all. This is what I call mountain rock, brother. Even though I'm not on that one, but yeah. Horsepower. Oh shit. Whoa. Oh. Brake. I say brake. Holy fuck. That's kind of insane. Should we go down it? No, that's not a good idea. What's up here first? We'll go down it, but what's up here first? Okay, let's ride this trail, I guess. Shit, these are the zombie trail. Holy crap. No trespassing. There's no trespassing sign. Usually I'd say you know what that means, but I'm actually gonna listen to it. I actually think I'm already trespassing. But I'm a fucking maverick. You physically can't stop me. Like, it's actually against the law. I can hear the static electricity right there, so that's not great. Well, I mean static. That's actual electricity. Oh, I'm braking. Ah! What's down here? Let's go. Everybody, oh fuck. That's not a good start. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. That's definitely not scary. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Okay, that was spooky. Oh, no trespassing again. Why the fuck is there a trail if it says no trespassing? Garbage. Okay, let's walk this back up. That was sketch. I'm gonna do it again though, but I'm gonna go up this side. This looks more realistic, as in I'm not gonna die. I'm just gonna start here. Fuck it. Oh shit. Okay, well that didn't work. Okay, let's go. I guess we have to head out. I feel like I hear a car coming. What's down here? Oh, that's also. I hear something. Let me see what the hell's back here. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely trespassing. I know. What does this say? It's locked. No, I'm gonna head out. Sounds like a nuke's about to go off because the electrical towers, they're like bzzz. I don't know if you can hear it. Because I'm like right above them. That's why I think it says no trespassing, because that's probably not safe. Especially on an aluminum bike. Who knew? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Aluminum's so expensive. $850 for an aluminum bike, which is this bike. Like, tinfoil, that's aluminum. I guess that's really not strong. Yeah. So, if you don't know how the bike works, well, not as that price tag of a bike. First, you have metal, just straight metal. Then you have steel. Then you have, it's a mix with, shit, what is it called? Fiberglass and metal. And then you have fiberglass and steel. And then you get 50% steel, 50%, and then 25% metal, and then 25% aluminum. Then you get 50% aluminum, 25% steel, 25% metal. Then you get 75% aluminum and then 25% steel. And then you get all aluminum. And then you get aluminum carbide, which is carbon fiber and aluminum, which is what this is. This has pieces of carbon fiber and aluminum. This is 100% aluminum, but then they take out pieces with aluminum and they replace it with carbon fiber. And then you have 100% carbon fiber. And 100% carbon fiber bikes, on like mountain bikes or BMX bikes, they're like speed bikes. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's real windy out here. Yeah, so that's what a speed bike is. It's usually all carbon fiber.